Good morning everyone, happy new year to everyone. Welcome to 2023 Factor Ostro VAM size 52. Someone asked for the specs of this, so here we go. Racing green, size 52. I guess I can start from up here. Berk Lupina saddle, 152 I believe. Padded. Then the original seat posts. Coming down, the group set itself. This is the black increment integrated one-piece bar. Okay. Wahoo, I don't remember what this is. Element with a GoPro. The mount itself, this one is from Black Incoming. Okay. Group set itself is the new 12-speed Ultegra. Wireless shifters, disc brake force. Okay. 170 crank, 50-34. In the back it's the new 12-speed 1134. Derailleur, there's just one, there's no medium cage or short cage anymore. Chain is just a standard chain. This Shimano Dura Ace disc. Then I did change the brake pads as well. So these are Shimano Ultegra, but the pads itself are, can't remember what they're called now, SwissStops. Wheels itself are Zip 3035 crest on these new Victoria Corsa 28mm tubeless. Sealant I'm using is, I can't remember, I'll list it down below. One bottle cage only for now, enough for a second one here. That's it. Spacers, full spacers, 37. If you're wondering why there's a tiny little piece here, because I didn't cut it short enough. I'm missing about 1 mil. So I'll have to do that next time. And then the last thing is Asioma dual power meter pedals. That's about it, I think. That's about it for the bike. There you go. Ride wise, very nice, very comfortable actually. Yes, it is still a semi-aero bike. Can't really compare it to an endurance bike, but yeah, so far so good. Very impressed. No creaking. These bottom brackets are the BB Infinite, just the basic one actually, and yeah, zero creak. Initially there was a creak because I didn't tighten it enough, but yeah, no creaks at all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.